And welcome back to the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. We're going to do a fast crypto update this morning. We are flying blind because the DXY is not in motion for us to look at. So while the dollar is frozen, difficult to say exactly what's happening, but we can sniff out and detect a few things here. We are winding up inside of this green symmetrical triangle between the, cooperate with me here, between the 29,955 and about the 36,89. We really need to get support on the 35,47. That's what we've been looking for. Now, if you look at this symmetrical triangle as your last touch on support at on previous Sunday, April 16th, you got a touch on support there at about the 3159 level. We see that we make another touchdown this Sunday. We're on the 30-minute here. We're trying to reclaim this is a very bearish pattern right now because we're on like a large bear flag inside of this consolidation phase, and we're below the 20-day. Your EMA lines are beginning to look more and more bearish. We really need that 20-day and that 50-day moving average to pick back up. But if you look at the way that this was done, last Sunday we were on the support. This Sunday we lost support on the symmetrical triangle briefly. Now, when you break back up into the triangle from losing support, that can be a very bullish sign. So what you want to watch for and see is this is price going to get support on top of this symmetrical triangle at maybe roughly the 33.58 or somewhere in there, maybe a little lower, and then you want to see us get a nice move up to the 35.47, and we've got to hold the 35.47. That is critical if we want to continue to move to the upside. Volume is not looking great, so we need volume to really increase, and perhaps people are just waiting till we get to that level. It's something to watch. So what I'm going to be watching for personally is, maybe I'll make a buy before, when we get support here. Let's just do a measured move to see what the percentage profit would be if you wanted to do a short trade on this, or if you wanted to leverage trade it. Where the deuce is my measuring tool? There it is. So from current level, it's so difficult to do these measured moves on the iPad. It's honestly a little frustrating. See, it is just showing up anywhere, not where I'm touching. And then, of course, with the measured move, you can't go back down. Okay, so we're going to try that one more time, and if not, we're not going to worry about it. We're just going to go to HBAR. I'll let you do that on your own chart. You can take a screenshot of this chart. If you want me to publish my charts, let me know. No, it's just, it keeps going to that same level. Okay, all right, okay. So we do have the potential again to, of course, make a move up here to the top side. So what we're looking at if we get support at the 35.47, where we would, oh my goodness, everything is in flux right now. So I don't know, roughly the 31.044, somewhere in there is where we would be looking to complete a cup. All right, let's go take a look at HBAR very quickly and wrap this up. Okay, so HBAR is looking very similar in some respects. of course, watch Bitcoin because that's going to determine what's truly happening here. Yeah, we're also in a consolidation phase here on HBAR on the 30-minute, and you can see that if we were to draw that out, it would look very much like Bitcoin as far as that symmetrical triangle would be on this consolidation phase. Yeah, there's definitely a symmetrical there. And we are trying to maintain the 100-day. And with HBAR, it's kind of lagging behind Bitcoin a little bit. The 20-day is just now crossing the 50-day on the 30-minute. So while it's still looking a little more bearish, we might get a little more sideways chop before HBAR has a breakdown or a break up. So definitely keep an eye on these levels. If you're wanting to buy HBAR, this could be a good level to buy at. I would honestly prefer, if I'm going to buy more, for this to break down. But if I do see a major move on Bitcoin to the upside where it gets support at those levels that I told you, if it gets support on that symmetrical and really starts to take off, I would be comfortable buying a little more HBAR at this basically average of 6 cents and some change there. 791, somewhere in there is kind of an average for where we've been consolidating, because we may have some further moves up in store for us. Again, flying a little blind, hard to see without the US dollar in motion, but that's what I'm thinking, that's what I'm feeling. There's your bear case, there's your bull case. I will see you next time on the Market Wolf.